MES College Marampally, e-learning.
Hello everyone, I'm Lydia, Faculty, Animation Graphic Design Department, MES College Marampally. So let us discuss what is media ethics. In this fast-moving world, media is inevitable in every human's life. It has both positive and negative aspects. So it is relevant to study about media ethics.
Principles that govern a person's behavior or the conducting of an activity, or the branch of knowledge that deals with moral principles. In short, ethics is a branch of philosophy which seeks to address issues related to concepts of right and wrong. Philosophers today usually divide ethical theories into three general subject areas. Let us look what are they. First, metaethics, normative ethics, and applied ethics. So, what is metaethics? It talks about the nature of ethics and moral reasoning. That is, it's a study of meaning of ethics. Next, normative ethics. It is interested in determining the content of our moral behavior. That is, it's a study of moral duties, rules within its social context. Next, applied ethics. It attempts to deal with the specific relevance of human action and to craft criteria for discussing issues that might arise within those realms. In short, it is the application of ethical principles. So now let's look what is media ethics. Media ethics is the best division of applied ethics, dealing with specific ethical principles and standards of media, including broadcast media, film, theatre, arts, print media, and the internet. Now let us look the ethical issues in different media professions. First, ethics in journalism. Truth, sincerity, and accuracy. Journalists cannot always guarantee truth, but getting the fact right is the cardinal principle of journalism. We should always strive for accuracy, give all the relevant facts we have and ensure that they have been checked. So, news should be always truth, sincere, and accurate. Next, independence. Journalists must be independent voices. They should not act formally or informally on behalf of special interest, whether political, corporate, or cultural. Impartiality. Most stories have at least two sides, while there is no obligation to present every side in every piece. Stories should be balanced and add context. Humanity and decency. Journalists should do no harm. What we publish or broadcast may be harmful or hurtful, but we should be aware of the impact of our words and images on the lives of others. They should not use any obscene language to keep decency. Fairness. Fairness means that a journalist should strive for accuracy and truth in reporting. Newspapers should make complete correction of its own serious mistakes. Responsibility. The key objective of a journalist is to gather information, write news pieces, and present the news in an honest and balanced manner. Now let's look ethics in advertisement. There are three. First, respect, truthfulness. It is that they should not provide any misleading informations. Advertisement should be truthful. Second, respect the dignity of each human. That is, they should not target any vulnerable groups. Third, respect social responsibilities. Advertisement should not provide any offensive messages or promote any unhealthy products. They should be always responsible to the society. Now let's look ethics in internet. Do not use computers to harm other users. Do not use computers to steal others' information. Do not access files without the permission of the owner. Do not copy copyrighted software without the author's permission. Always respect copyright laws and policies. Respect the privacy of others, just as you expect the same from others. Do not use other users' computer resources without their permission. Use internet ethically. Complain about illegal communication and activities. If found to internet service providers or the local law enforcement authorities. Next, users are responsible for safeguarding their user ID and passwords. They should not write them on paper or anywhere else for remembrance. Users should not intentionally use the computers to retrieve or modify the information of others. Now let's look ethics in animation. First, intellectual property. It is to respect work of others and never copy materials of others into your own work. Image content. This is another form of intellectual property, but it is an issue that is always difficult to identify as there are often clashes regarding the use of materials which look similar to others' work. Non-disclosure. Animation studios, especially the big name studios, employ tight security on their productions. Security involves storylines, storyboard materials, and any information about their work. Mainly, some of the big companies may sign non-disclosure agreements. Next, business ethics. Companies are now operating an environment where there is an increased focus on business ethics. Now let's look ethics in photography. First, be accurate and comprehensive in the representation of subjects. Resist being manipulated by staged photo opportunities. Be complete and provide context when photographing or recording subjects. Avoid stereotyping individuals and groups. Treat all subjects with respect and dignity. Give special consideration to vulnerable subjects and compassion to victims of crime and tragedy. Intrude on private moments of grief only when the public has an overriding and justifiable need to see. While photographing subjects, do not intentionally contribute to alter or seek to alter or influence events. Editing should maintain the integrity of the photographic images, content, and context. Do not manipulate image or add or alter sound in any way that can mislead viewers or misrepresent subjects. Next, do not pay sources or subjects or reward them materially for information or participation. Do not accept gifts, favors, or compensation from those who might seek to influence coverage. And last, do not intentionally sabotage the efforts of other journalists. So I hope all you understood. Thank you.